StableDiffusion is an AI image generator. It's a text-to-image AI model. You can generate photorealistic or artistic style images. Start with giving a prompt that describes the image to be generated. ComfyUI is a node-based GUI for StableDiffusion. You can construct an image generation workflow by connecting different nodes together. Common workflow has nodes that can load a StableDiffusion model, enter a prompt, sampler, display an image. ComfyUI breaks down a workflow into elements that can be rearranged so you can easily make your own. Benefits of ComfyUI. The benefits of using ComfyUI: lightweight, it runs fast; flexible, very configurable; transparent, the data flow is in front of you; easy to share, each file is a reproducible workflow; good for prototyping with a graphic interface instead of coding. To install ComfyUI, go to this Git repository. Scroll down to find the direct link to download the zip file. Click to download, unzip it and open the folder. In the ComfyUI Windows Portable folder, you should have run the NVIDIA GPU batch file. For the non-GPU, you can use the Run CPU batch file. Double-click on the GPU batch file. This will open the command prompt. You will see the browser launched with ComfyUI web application. This is the default layout. By default, you will not have any of these models listed. To download the model, open the Hugging Face URL provided. Make sure it is StableDiffusion version 1.5. Click on Files and Versions. Scroll down. Click on Download File. Once you have this downloaded, copy it into ComfyUI. Models. Checkpoints. Make sure you copy it to the right folder location. Once you will be able to select it in the drop-down. Then click the Q prompt to generate the image. Run the Q prompt few more times to get different variations of the image. This is ComfyUI default layout. At the start, we have the load checkpoint node with output pins of model, clip and VAE. The drop-down here is to select the model. Clip output pin connects to text encode node. This is positive prompt. That goes into the K sampler node. From the clip output, we have one more text encode node, which goes into the negative pin. This is empty latent image node to specify the size of the image. By default, we have 512 by 512. This connects to latent image here. We have more default parameters in the K sampler node. From the K sampler node, the latent pin connects to VAE decode node. The VAE output coming from the load checkpoint node is connected to VAE decoder. From here, the image is connected to Save Image node. This is the default workflow to generate an image. In the positive text prompt we have game character, fantasy, male, warrior, 30 years old, blurred environment. This is the negative prompt, all that you want to avoid in the image. To generate the image, click on Q prompt. And you have the image generated.